Understanding your circadian rhythm.
The circadian rhythm is your body's natural 24-hour clock, guiding when you feel alert or sleepy. Governed by light and darkness, it helps regulate sleep, hormone release, and overall well-being. Disruption to this rhythm can affect concentration, mood, and even long-term health. Knowing what influences your circadian rhythm is the first step toward achieving better sleep and feeling your best.
How screens disrupt natural sleep cycles.
Electronic screens, phones, tablets, and computers emit blue light. This light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. This delayed release can make it harder to sleep, shorten your rest, and lead to feeling groggy the next day. Regular late-night screen use can shift your entire sleep pattern.
The consequences of sleep disruption.
Disrupted sleep doesn't just mean feeling tired. Over time, poor sleep can contribute to anxiety, depression, weakened immunity, and trouble concentrating. Inconsistent sleep-wake cycles can also increase your risk for chronic health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Protecting your circadian rhythm supports not just rest, but your overall mental and physical health.
Tips for healthier screen habits.
Set a digital curfew by turning off screens at least an hour before bedtime. Consider using blue light filters or night mode on devices in the evening. Create a winding down routine with non-screen activities like reading a book, stretching, or meditating. Keeping screens out of the bedroom helps both your mind and body recognize when it's truly time to rest.
Mindfulness practices for better sleep.
Mindfulness can help signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Try deep breathing, gentle yoga, or guided relaxation exercises before bed. Keep your sleep environment calm and clutter-free. Consistent bedtime rituals reinforce your natural rhythm, making it easier to drift into restful sleep and wake up refreshed. No screens required.